Hi, so this question is a 5-mark question based on fractions and ratio. It says at a school event, Mrs. Sim arranged the students into 6 equal groups of boys and 8 equal groups of girls. In every group of girls, the number of girls was 3 more than the number of boys in each group. 7 out of 10 of all students at the event were girls. So the question is, how many students were there in total? Okay, so next, let's put all the information that has been given to us in this table here. It says there are 6 equal groups of boys. So since we are not given the number of boys in one group, let's just say that there are B number of boys in one group. And there are 6 such groups. So 6 times B would be 6B. So in total, there are 6B boys at the school event. So next, we are told that there are 8 equal groups of girls. It goes on to say that the number of girls was 3 more than the number of boys in each group. So now we are able to come up with an expression for the number of girls in one group in terms of B. So that would be B plus 3. So there are B plus 3 girls in one group and there are 8 such groups. So 8 into B plus 3, that would give us a total number of girls at the event. So 8 times B is 8B plus 8 times 3 is 24. So the total number of girls at the event in terms of B would be 8B plus 24. The total number of students at the event in terms of B would be 6B plus 8B plus 24. So that would give us 14B plus 24. So the question goes on to say that 7 out of 10 of all the students at the event were girls. So whenever you see a fraction, you know that we can come up with a ratio. So in this case, we can come up with a ratio of the number of girls to the total number of students. So the ratio would be 7 is to 10. So the difference in the ratios of the total students and the girls would be the ratio of boys. So 10 minus 7 would be 3. So the ratio of boys at the event is 3. So that would be 3 units of boys and 7 units of girls, which gives us a total of 10 units. So we need to find the total number of students at the event. So when we look at the information that we have here, so the total number of students in this case is 10 units, and in terms of B, it would be 14B plus 24. So when we see two variables, in this case B and U, we know that we need to come up with 2 equations so that we can solve the simultaneous equations and find the value of one variable. I'm going to come up with my 2 equations using the boys and the girls. So if we take a look at the boys, we can see that 3 units is equal to 6B. So similarly, in the case of girls, 7 units is equal to 8B plus 24. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of the B's. So to do that, I need to get the coefficients of the B's equal. So the lowest common multiple of 6 and 8 is 24. So to get 24b here, I need to multiply 6 by 4. So now I will multiply equation 1 by 4. And to get 24b here, I need to multiply equation 2 by 3. So 3 units into 4 would be 12 units, and 6b into 4 would be 24b. So let's multiply equation 2 by 3. That would be 21 units is equal to 24b plus 72. Okay, so since the coefficients of b's are equal, let's take a look at the u's. So since 21u is larger than 12u, I will now deduct equation 3 from equation 4. So 21u minus 12u is 9u. So plus 24b minus 24b is 0. Therefore 9 units is equal to plus 72. Therefore 1 unit is equal to 72 divided by 9, which is 8. The total number of students at the school event is 10 units. So we know the value of 1 unit, which is 8. Therefore 10 units would be 10 into 8, which is 80 students. Okay, so to explain a bit more, when I came up with the two equations, I used the boys, which is 3 units, and the girls, which is 7 units. But notice how we came up with two expressions for the total number of students in terms of B and in terms of U. So to come up with the two equations, you could also use the total number of students and the girls, if not the boys and the total number of students. You would still end up with the same answer, which is 80 students.